Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into a super important topic in JavaScript: variables, declaration, hosting, and scope. If you have ever wondered about this difference between let, var, and const, or how hosting work in the JavaScript, you are in the right place. And not only that, but I will also sharing some interview questions that can help you ace your next coding interview. So grab your coffee and let's jump into it. Previously, we discussed about the variables. Variables are used like containers. Today, we discuss about the declaration of the variable. Basically, JavaScript is a dynamic type language. Okay, this is a dynamic typed language. And what does it mean actually? Let's say x is equal to 25 and y is equal to, let's say, Raju, and let's say z is equal to true. So x is here is a number type, string, boolean. In the upcoming videos, we'll discuss about all these types in detail. But for now, a number, everyone know number is digits, and string is basically whatever we write in between the single quote or double quote is marked as a string, and boolean means only true or false. So x is here number type, y is string type, and z is boolean type. If JavaScript is so much intelligent, then what is the need of declaration? So before moving to this question, first we understand scope. Basically in programming, scope refers to open curly braces and close curly braces. Here is one scope and here is another scope. Here present three scopes. Okay, one scope refers to one open curly braces and close curly braces. That much area. So our point is a need of variable declaration. Our first point is scope management. And our second point is hoisting. Third point is code readability. So moving to these 3 points shortly, but first we discuss about how we declare the variables. Declaration of variables. In JavaScript, there are 3 ways of declaring a variable. Those are var, and another one is let, and last one is const. Var is a keyword. Okay, var is a keyword for variable declaration. Var is used in the late 90s when the JavaScript is introduced. So first point in var is that we can declare a variable without giving any value to let var a. Okay, and then console.log a means our program is absolutely correct. Moving to our second point, we can redeclare. We can redeclare a variable. Let's see, var b is equal to 34. Console.log b 34 output. Redeclare means we can again declare b is equal to 45. Okay, and then also we can print b 45. This is means redeclaration. Another point is reassign a variable. Let var is c is equal to, let's say, 54, and console c and then 54. Okay, so later we can change the value of c to c54 to 67. Okay, and console the c and then 67. There are some drawbacks in var keyword. In 2015 in ES6, let and const are introduced. So the first drawback is redeclaration. So redeclaration means, let's imagine a scenario, you are a developer. So you take a var username, let's say Raju, and some other developer will come and again take var username, let's say Beam. this is a bug for your application. Okay, and let's say your application have a too long and have contain 1000 plus line of code, and then it is difficult to identify the which line of code is giving the bug. The second point is reassign a variable. Let's imagine you are a developer and you are taking some password, some value 1 2 3 4 something, and then the other developer can come and change the passwords to 6 7 8 9. This is also a bug for your application. And the third drawback is scope management. This is a scope. Okay, and where is always a global scope. Okay, global scope. That means whenever you declare a variable using var keyword, then it is accessible throughout the application. Let's say we are using this C here also. Try to console them here. CLG C. Our C is 54, means this block can also access the value of C. Let here we declare another variable. Let D is equal to 89. Console dot log D CLG D. We are declaring D inside the block, but we are access the value of D outside also. That means the var is a globally scoped. Using var keyword is a high risk for our information. Passwords may be a risk that someone can change it or it can be theft. To overcome this drawbacks, ES6 is introduced to let and const. To move to our next variable declaration, that is let. We can also declare a variable without giving any value to it. First point with the let is same as well. Let E is defined, CLGE can get undefined, that is no issue. After declaring, we can also assign some value to it, and then 45. Second point is reassign a variable. Let F is equal to 67, and then F is equal to 89 and console log. Then here we can get 67 and 89 also. This is same with the second point. So here is the third point comes to the play. That is redeclaration. A variable is not allowed. Let's see. A is equal to 12 and CLGA. I want to redeclare a variable again with let A and 34. Okay, I want to console.log. Here the error is coming, that the error is identifier A has already been declared. Let keyword, we cannot redeclare a variable. Once it declared, then another variable with the same name we cannot be declared. The third point is scope management. Here we can define let b is equal to 54 console.log b. Okay, our program is run completely fine. Comment them out, and then I want to access the variable b outside the block. Our program giving b is not defined. Okay, at line number 86 here, line number 86, because let is a block scope, means if we declare a variable with let keyword inside a block, then the variable only be accessed within the block. We cannot access the variable outside of the block. So const is also used for declaration. When we are declaring a variable using const, then it is must declaring and assigning together. Let's see const a. First we declare and then console.log and a till giving an error, that is missing identifier the const declaration. That means when you declare a variable using const, it is must to declare and as well as assign the value together. Let a is equal to 45 and console.log in 45. Okay, no issue. Means whenever you declare, remember that point, whenever you declare a variable using const, then it is the mandatory to assign the value as well at the time of declaration. Moving to our next point, we cannot reassign. We at console.log and b is equal to 89 and console.log and b. Here we can give an error. First we print 45 here a, and then we have to print 67 from line number 96, then line number 87 giving an error, that is assigning to a const variable. Okay, type error, that is the JS say that we cannot reassign to a const variable. And the third point is the declaration. Okay, let const c is equal to 32 and clc and then 32. Okay, output. And let redeclare const c is equal to 45 and then here giving that the error is identifier C has been already declared. Also remembering point is we cannot redeclare a variable once it declared const keyword. Const means the value is constant throughout the program. Const is also a block. Let const d is equal to 12. If I access to outside of the block, d is not defined. Okay, means const is a also block type. Okay, so moving to the previous point, that is scope management, we can see let is a block scope and const is also a block scope and where is a globally scope. Hoisting is an interesting topic. Let's see we have console.log a and where a is equal to something. Okay. We are declare a variable 45 and we are printing before declaring, but our program is still fine using the let keyword. Let's see, let a is equal to 45. Here you can got an error, cannot access a before initialization. We cannot access a variable before initialization, but in where we can access it. Try with const a is equal to 45, still giving the same error, cannot access a variable before initialization. Okay, that is the hosting. So I firstly summarize them here. First we understand what is the need of declaration. So to understand scope, so first point is scope management, and the second point is hosting, and third point is readability. And then we are declaring a variable using three keywords, and those them are where, let, and const. Third point is where. So using where keyword can redeclare, reassign, and global scope. Okay, and in let keyword we can not redeclare, reassigning, and block scope. Const, that is not redeclare, not reassign, and also block scope. I hope you found the interview questions helpful. As you can see on the screen, I have listed some interview questions for you. Go ahead and write them down in your notebook and try to answer them on your own. If you get stuck or need any help, just let me know in the comments and I will be more than happy to assist you. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will be see you in the next one.